Okay, in our previous video, okay, that you have learned that proprietary software, okay, consists of commercial software and freeware software. Okay, so other types of ownership there is under proprietary software is a shareware. Okay, so what is a shareware? Okay, so alternatively, we refer shareware as a demoware or trial software. Okay, so actually shareware is a limited version of software intended to demonstrate its features on the user's computer before purchase. So it can be downloaded and installed on the user's computer, and you can share this software with the other users free of charge. Okay, so if the user likes the software, okay, the full feature versions of the software can be purchased from the software publisher. Okay, so actually shareware was a widely used software distribution model in the 1990s, okay, especially in the world of computer games. So it helped users share the demos, okay, with another person. So actually it will increasing the awareness of the game. Okay, so the idea behind shareware is, okay, try before you buy. So the shareware model allows you to try the program and to make sure it's something you find useful or enjoy it. Okay, so and importantly, it lets you make sure the program works on your computer before you spend any money on it. Okay, so if you enjoy the program, or you enjoy the game, or you enjoy any of the utility programs and you want more features, you can purchase the full version or a key that unlocks the full versions of the software. Okay, so that explain about what is a shareware. Okay, so open source software. Okay, so I believe, okay, I mentioned about open source software in our previous video. Okay, actually what is an open source software? Okay, so open source is a term used to describe a program or file that can be freely modified by any programmer. Okay, so open source allow users or organization to adjust the program's functionality to perform for their specific needs. Okay, so actually there are numerous open source licensing agreements to follow. Okay, so therefore actually is the best for you if you want to use any open source software. Okay, you need to refer to the appropriate documentation to see what the original developers allows you or didn't allow you to do with the software. Okay, so we have this table in this slide. Okay, so actually this table, okay, give you a difference between open source software and proprietary software. So proprietary software is also consists about, all right, commercial software, freeware, and also shareware. Okay, so I summarize it here. Okay, so open source actually refers to the software, okay, whose source code is available for anybody, all right, or any programmer to access and modify it. Okay, while proprietary software refers to the software which is solely owned by the individual or publisher or organization who develop it. Okay, so unlike open source software, proprietary software is managed by the individual or organization that hold exclusively the intellectual property right of the source code, and nobody outside the circle is allowed to view the code. Okay, so the main difference between the two of this software, okay, is that open source projects have the ability to evolve as they can be iterated, okay, upon by millions of developers located across the globe. Okay, so and then we move to the next slide. Here what we have here is a table, okay, that summarize the characteristics of proprietary software that consists of commercial, freeware, and shareware, and also the characteristics of open source software.